Atlantic Ocean divides our world into two parts. Let's explore. This is one part of our world. This is another part of our world. These two parts of our world is divided by one water body. That is only Atlantic Ocean. Next, Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is the only ocean which named after the country name. That is India. India. The name of India, this ocean is comes Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean is boundaries with in North Asia, in East Australia, in West Africa. These are the mainly boundaries of Indian Ocean. Next we see Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean is mostly in South Pole. Okay, this is South Pole above the Antarctica. It is very cool region. All Okay, this Indian Ocean has very hot climate because the equator passes through the equator. This is the equator. The equator passes through Indian Ocean. So it is a very hot temperatures in Indian Ocean. Okay, this is Indian Ocean is third largest ocean in world. It has a very hot climate because the equator passes through it like this. Okay, understood? Next we discuss about, after completing Indian Ocean, next we go to fourth largest ocean, Antarctic Ocean or Southern Ocean. It is fourth largest. This Antarctic Ocean is the fourth largest ocean and it is the one of the ocean which frozen throughout the year because it is in the south pole of our world. This is south pole. South pole means which continent we have seen? Antarctica. In the name of Antarctica, Antarctic Ocean. Antarctic Ocean, or it is famously known as Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean or Antarctic Ocean. Okay, this is the Antarctic Ocean. It is frozen throughout the year. Next, Arctic Ocean. Smallest ocean in the world. Smallest ocean. Smallest ocean in the world. Okay. Arctic Ocean is in the North Pole. Totally North Pole. This is South Pole. Okay. And Southern Ocean is in South Pole and Arctic Ocean is in North Pole. It is smallest. It is also frozen throughout the year. It has boundaries in Asia. That means Russia, Europe. Okay, these are the boundaries of this Arctic Ocean. Okay, these are the five oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share this video, and also this video description the map pointing of continents with superlatives and map pointing of oceans with importance of the oceans in with clear map pointing video also available in description. Now you see that video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Take a screenshot if you want to learn after this video with offline.